I'm Dr. Sandra Duncan. I'm one of the authors of 2 books, Inspiring Spaces for Young Children, and the Rosie book, which is Rating Observation Scale for Inspiring Environments. One of the things that we took a look at is what makes an inspiring classroom different from the regular classroom. And so we started looking at different elements that helped make the classroom inspirational. Our first principle is nature inspires beauty. Nature does instill this sense of wonder because it's beautiful. And when it's beautiful and you have a sense of wonder, you promote lifelong learning. Our second principle is color generates interest. We know that color can sometimes be an obstacle to their learning. And so what we are saying with color is you use pops of color and you create this natural, neutral background and use the pops of color to generate the interest. Our principle 3 is furnishings define space. There are many ways that you can define areas in addition to furniture. And those furnishings can be decor, they can be a rug that anchors the center. There's lots of different ways that you can define space. Our fourth principle is texture adds depth. Children learn basically through their senses. Children need that texture to explore and to investigate. And so adding texture to the classroom also enhances learning. Our fifth principle is displays enhance environment. And what we mean by that is that we use our children's work to enhance the environment. We honor the work that they do by displaying their work in attractive, aesthetic ways. Principle number 6 is elements heighten ambiance. Things like lighting, olfactory, the things that you smell, the things that you hear, and all of those elements create an ambiance for a classroom. Principle number 7 is focal points attract attention. If you would just imagine yourself being a small little child, 4 years old, and opening up your classroom door, what do you think you would see? If you see a focal point, if you see something that excites you and interests you, you're far more likely to be happy about transitioning from the outside world into the classroom. I would recommend these books to anyone who is interested in creating an inspiring space for children. I would recommend it to teachers, to directors, to curriculum specialists, almost anybody that's interested in going above and beyond the Eckers rating scale and creating environments where children can engage, interact with, and be inspired by the space that they reside in day after day.